Hello everyone, welcome to Joyroute-jojo. In today's video, we are going to learn how to set the Google Chrome home page. The first thing what we have to do, we should have Google Chrome ADMX template. So let's download the Google Chrome ADMX template from internet. All right. Yeah. So here we have the Chrome ADMX template. So I download that. This is the bundle. I'm just downloading it 64-bit. Let me just copy that and paste it here. I want to extract all here. All right. So let me just copy the ADMX file from here. So these are the ADMX file. I just copy here, and we will have to paste it in the C drive, Windows, policies, policy definitions. Here we will have to paste it. So let me paste that. Let me just go back to the Google Chrome page, configuration, and ADMX itself. We have to get the language, Control A, Control C, and we have to paste it in again in the C drive, Windows, policy definitions. All right, ANUS. So I paste it here. Continue. Great. Now let me just open the group policy gpmc.msc. As is in the test environment, we create it in the domain level. I create the GPO in the domain and link it here and name it as Google Chrome home page. Let me click on OK. So Google Chrome homepage policy I have written. I have to right click and click on edit. So if you go here, computer configuration, policies, administrative templates, this time we should find something related to Chrome, Google, yeah, and Google Chrome. So here we have to select startup homepage and new tab page. Configure the homepage URL. So I configure the page as all right. So it should open my page here. I have given the URL here. URL I have given as my channel page. So let me click on apply and OK. All right. So this is done right now. Okay. Okay. All right. Let me close this. GP update / force. Let me do the same even in the mission here. GP update / force. So this command will show whatever is applied to the computer. So let us see that. So the group applied group policy object is Google Chrome homepage. Great. So let me just minimize it and just open. Yeah, this time it's opening my page here. If you have not subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe and support me. All right. Thank you.